Lezi indaba zehora lesikhombisa sigwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli imbukeli nazo ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
The interests of justice do not permit the release of the applicant on bail. The application for bail is therefore dismissed.
Sesichithiwe isicelo sebhayili sika Sergeant Fani Nkosi ecaleni lokweba ukuphazamisa ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho ukutholakala nezibhamu izinhlamvu namadokodo yize emisiwe emsebenzini.
Now that he has appeared in court, formally charged, he should take leave.
Iyaqonga incindezi efakwa ngamaqembu ezombusazwe yokuthi umengameli wezwe amise ngokusheshsha esikhundleni umkhuzi wamaphoyisa uJenene Fani Masemula ngemva kokuvela kwakhe enkantolo ngecala lokwephula iPFMA.
I deny that I attempted to interfere in any manner. My conduct was limited to assisting my sister.
Namhlanje ikhomishana kaMadlanga ipheke ngembuzo umkhuzi wamaphoyisa wesifunda iCD Benge Gauteng uBrigadier Abraham Nkwashu mayelana nobudlelwane bakhe noKatiso KT Mulife nobhekene noxhaxha lwamacala abandakanya awukubulala. Ngikubingelele umbukeli ngikwamukele indaba yenze ihora lesikhombisa kusihlwa igama lami nguNoxolo uMamtshali wakwaMwali ihlabangane limhlophe qwa uza kwethu ositolikela ngolwimi lwempawu uSinovuyo Fihlani ake sibheke ukuthi sikuphathele ziphi namhla kusihlwa. Sesichithiwe isicelo sebhayili sika Sergeant Fani Nkosi ecaleni lokweba ukuphazamisa ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho ukutholakala nezibhamu izinhlamvu namadokodo yize emisiwe emsebenzini.
Inkantolo yemantshi yasePitoli isichithile isicelo sikaNkosi yabalula ukuthi wehlulekile ukuveza ubufakazi nencanzelo ezwakalayo ukuthi kungani kufanele agunyazwe ibhayili. Imantshi isosayitsheni Nkosi akagcinanga nje ngokwephula umthetho kodwa ngesikhathi kuqhubeka isicelo sakhe sebhayili ukhethe ukuziphika zonke izinsolo abekwezona waphika nokunye kulokho kwatholakala emzini wakhe ngesikhathi kugasela amaphoyisa.
The applicant's case is characterized by bad denials and unsubstantiated assertions. It has failed to provide a credible explanation for possession of police dockets and SAPS equipment.
Inkantolo ihlonze nokuthi uNkosi wehlulekile nokuhlinzeka ngencazelo ebambekayo kokutholakala namadokodo ayisithupha ahlobene namacala abucayi angokuduna kwezimoto zemali elinye lawo icala umbuso uthi bese lifihliwe iminyaka e10.
The real likelihood that the applicant may interfere with witnesses or tamper with evidence if released. The applicant has failed to discharge the honors in this regard.
INPA samukele isinqumo senkantolo.
Investigations in this matter are ongoing, and if there are any charges that needs to be added, will be added, and if any other person of interest that needs to be added on this case will be added. At this stage, investigations are ongoing.
We do believe that granting him bail poses a direct threat to the operations of the SAPS. We strongly believe that he is being utilized by the cartels as a runner, as a coordinator.
uNkosi uzoqhubeka agqunywe ngaphakathi kuze kube ubuyela enkantolo mhla zingama-21 ngenyanga ezayo.
Iyaqonga incindezi efakwa ngamaqembu ezombusazwe yokuthi umengameli wezwe amise ngokusheshsha esikhundleni umkhuzi wamaphoyisa uJenene Fani Masemula. uMasemula usanda kuvela enkantolo ngeinsolo zecala elihlobene nokwehluleka kwakhe ukulandela umthetho ohambisana nokulawulwa kwezemali yabakhokhintela. Lokhu ke ngenxa yethenda leyigidi zamarandi emaphoyiseni lapho okwahlomula kulo uVusimuzi Cat Matlala.
Njengele uFani Masemula uvele enkundleni yamatyala ngolwesibini laze ityala lakhe lamiselwa kule nyanga izayo. Uxelele onondaba kuba ukhe wathethathethana nomongameli ngeziztyholo. Umongameli Ramaphosa uthenga phambili uza kuthatha isigqibo ngoMasemula ngokomthetho. Usihlalo wekomiti yesipolisa uIan Cameron ufuna uMasemula abekwe ecaleni.
Presidency must act urgently. The continued hesitation to act decisively is no longer tenable, At a time when South Africans are under siege from crime, uncertainty at the very top of the South African police service is totally unacceptable. The President must act now and suspend the National Commissioner and appoint a credible acting leader immediately.
Amanye amaqela opolitiko aphefumle enjenje.
President Cyril Ramaphosa must act swiftly and decisively and place the National Police Commissioner, Fani Masemola, on precautionary suspension.
In the light of the gravity of these charges, it is both appropriate and necessary for Commissioner Masemola to step aside while legal processes unfolds.
He should have asked for a leave. You know, like you don't have to wait for the president to then place you on suspension. Now that he has appeared in court, formally charged, he should take leave.
Given that the National Commissioner has now formally been charged, it is therefore the responsibility of the President to restore the integrity of that office.
Kwiindaba ze-SABC, Dingubulelani Philip eParlamente.
Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa osamisiwe esifundeni iSidibe ngeGauteng uBrigadier Abraham Nkwashu ulandise ikhomishana kaMadlanga ngokuthi okumenza abe nokusondelana nosomabhizinisi ogubuzelwe ngamacala uKatiso KT Mulife ukuthi ungusibalo wakhe njengoba phela eshade nodadewabo kaNkwashu. Ake sicoshe bukhoma ke mbukeli lesi sithangami ke sikaMadlanga.
Is it not perhaps possible that whatever relationship with him you had, he never considered you to have a familial relationship with him? It's a business relationship. The first time he meets you, he talks about bail, according to you, trying to get bail to see if there will be bail for Dawu, and he talks about you coming to work for his security company. That conversation carries on further, you tell us, in other discussions, and maybe after all, he had no interest and he never considered you or perceived you as his family and brother-in-law, but in fact as a person that would be useful to him for purposes that we have seen, that he wanted you to help out with the bail issue, whatever he intended with security, but he didn't see you as a family member. And you may have been hoodwinked into thinking this is a familial relationship, either by him, but certainly by Fundisa.
Thanks, Commissioner. In short, I really don't know what was in his mind. I wouldn't know what was he thinking to say that. But with regard to the relationship, he has got no choice.
He has no choice but to be your family.
Leyo ke mbukeli bekuyimfanekiso yokwenzeka njengamanje lapha esithangamini sikaMadlanga. Kanti ke mangabe siqhubekela phambili usilaxazile isicelo sebhayili umsolwa oneminyaka engama56 osolwa ngokuthumba nokudlengula intombazanyana eneminyaka eyi12 eDobsonville. uThepho Ntsimane nongumholi webandla ubevele enkantolo eMantshi yaseRoodeport.
We are abandoning the bail application. And we will accordingly advise the court once we are ready to proceed with the bail application on the next postponement date.
Ilokho kanye kokushiwo ummeli womsolwa ngenkathi etshela inkosi yenkantolo ukuthi umsolwa useshaya ingwijikhwebu useyasilaxaza isicelo sebhayili. Umndeni uthi ushaqeka kwaphela naso zwaneni amandla uma uzwa ukuthi uyena bani kanti umsolwa ngoba ube umuntu othembekile owaziwayo emphakathini.
Sishaqeke kakhulu njengomndeni uma sithola ukuthi ngubani umsolwa ngoba ungumuntu owaziwayo kakhulu kanti nengane futhi bimethemba.
Neyishoshove bengaphandle kwenkantolo ziyakhuluma zithi ke umthetho awunabo ubulungiswa. Zithi ke isulu zokudlungula njalo ithwala kanzima ngenxa yokuthi ke umthetho ushaya ngolonwabo unyawo.
justice is so soft on the people that are perpetrating this violence. They make sure that in no time they are forgiven when the life of the child has already been damaged.
Umnyango wezenhlalakahle uthi uyawelekelela umndeni ngalokhu.
Uye uthi mawuthetha kunye nentombazana kuba nzima noma uye ukuthetha naye efonini umama womntwana ngoba uyambona ukuthi usafuna ukukhupha yonke imbilini yakhe ngobuhlungu abuvileyo kodwa ke siyamnikeza amathuba ngokuba makayenze lonto leyo.
iANC ithi sammisile umsolwa njengoba kuqhubeka icala.
Is our member in Ward 47 we have of course taken a decision to make sure that we suspend him from the African National Congress.
Leli cala lihlehliselwe inyanga ezayo ukuze kuqhubeke nokwenziwa uphenyo. Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla. Endabeni zeSABC ngibika ngaseRoodeport.
Mbukalisi sathi qu eyitolo siyabuya nezinye indaba zosuku ungayindawo. Siphinde asikubingelela sikamkele mbukeli mangabe usanda kungena asikukhumbuzeke ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ungena nje kuze uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba. Kushone umuntu oyedwa kwalimala abathathu engozini yenzeke ngesikhathi umshayeli webhasi ehluleka kulawula emgwaqeni uN1 eduze kwase Louis Trichardt eLimpopo.
Ingozi yenzeke phakathi kwamabili namhlanje kanti sekungeyesithathu ebandakanya amabhasi enyangeni eziyisithupha endaweni eyodwa. Ngolwezi wonyaka wedlule kwashona abantu abaningi ngesikhathi ibhasi elalibheke eZimbabwe naseMalawi ligingqika kuyo le ndawo.
Preliminary reports indicate that a bus was traveling from Johannesburg en route to Harare with 6 staff crew members and 8 passengers. It is alleged that the driver lost control. From the reports, it's indicated that the bus brakes failed horribly so, and it resulted in a horror accident. This time is on the right, on your way from Gauteng, which is very abnormal. But we can safely say that the preliminary reports will be validated by the final report as time goes on, and the public will be duly informed.
Umshayeli webhasi uthi ukungasebenzi kwamableki ikhona okwenze laphaphalaza laphuma emgwaqeni ibhasi.
I come from Johannesburg. Then on the top of this mountain, I felt the brake. The bus is failed. Then I tried to proceed. Then the bus lost control.
Kusenjalo ababili kulaba bathatha abathola ukulimala sebekhishiwe esibhedlela.
Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela uGosiyensu Ramokgopa uthi njengoba kulindeleke ukuthi lungabibikho nje uhlelo lokucisha konga ugesi kulobu busika uhulumeni usebeke eqhulwini udaba lokuthi ungabe usamba eqolo ugesi.
Kusukela kuqala umbasa amakhasimende Eskom asenyuselwe intengo yogesi ngamaphesenti angu-8.76. Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela uGosiyensu Ramokgopa uthi lokhu ngeke kuze kulunge.
The light might be on or available, but it doesn't mean that everyone can afford. So that's the next piece of the puzzle that we want to resolve.
Phezulu se-Eskom sithi alukho uhlelo selibekiwe lokucisha konga ugesi njengoba kusondela ubusika.
At a much more improved position from an energy availability factor compared to this period 3 years ago when we started this journey.
Ngoshe uPaulena ngohlelo olukhona kwezinye ifundazwe lokwehliswa kwezinga lamandla ogesi yize limisiwe uhlelo lokucisha konga ugesi kuzwelonke.
7 of the 9 provinces will not have load reduction by October of this year. Already there's no load reduction in the Western Cape and the Northern Cape.
Misiqhamuke namasu ezobhekana ngawo ngqo nenkohlakalo izwakalisene okwamukela imizamo esiyenziwe iSIU.
Other strategies that have not been mentioned, the one is to move over to electronic purchasing and to automate the systems, and the other is proactive assurance during the purchasing, not post-purchasing, to try and improve the anticipation of problems.
Kulindeleke ukuthi uhlelo lwenqubomgomo entsha yokuqinisekisa ukuthi ugeza umbe qolo lube ngumthetho ogcwele njengoba nezakhamuzi seyitshelwe ukuthi zingalindela isimemezelo enyangeni ezayo.
Inkantolo yamacala aphathelene nezemali kuGompo esifundazweni Eastern Cape isichithile isicelo sokuthi kuhoxiswe amacala athweswe uSizwe Khuphelo oyiphini lomqondisi wezokuxhumana eminyangweni yezempilo esifundazweni.
Izwe Khuphelo ujongene namatyala anxulumene nobuqhetseba kule nkundla yakusixeko sakuGompo. Abameli bakhe baxoxa ngelithi akukho bungqina obuveza ukuba wafaka isertificate sebanga le-10 xeshikweni efaka isicelo sengqesho. Kodwa yona inkundla ikholelwa ukuba unetyala ekufuneka liphendule lo kaKhuphelo.
Having carefully considered the evidence presented by the state, the submissions made on behalf of the defense, and the applicable legal principle, this court is satisfied that the state has established a prima facie case against the accused. The application for discharge in terms of Section 174 of the Criminal Procedure Act is accordingly refused.
Kusenjalo umbuso usamkele isigqiba senkundla.
Sibonisa ukuba siligunya abantu lezotshutshiso siyethesa dithatha ubungqina aboneleyo ebenkundleni kuba umuntu akaKhuphelo lona abe unetyala loba aphendule. Ithi ke lonto leyo khange simsukele njengoko bekungathi kuyatyhola nxa befaka isicelo. Sithi ke ngokuya phambili sinethemba lokuba sizakwazi basiphuhlise enkundleni ba unetyala njengoko sityhola ikwazi babulungisa benzeke.
Ukanti amagqwetha akhe alile ukuphefumla ngesisigqibo senkundla. Elityala liza kubuyela enkundleni ngomhla we-15 kweyeKhala nalapho kulindeleke khona amagqwetha akhe abizele emkhumbini amangqina amathathu. Abongile Yankis kwiindaba ze-SABC kwisixeko sakuGompo.
Mbukeli saye itolo kwamanje kodwa kuma ngabe sibuya sobe sesikuphatheleke umhlahlo wesimo sezulu noThini Ntshiza.
Nginibingile babukele emakhaya ngiphinde nginamukele kwesimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa ake sibhethi manje uqaphela nje mbukeli akhona ke nje amathuba emvula amakhulu alendelekile nje khona kweli kaMthani yakuya njalo nje sifundazweni Free State kuya njalo nakhona ke nje sifundazweni eLimpopo ngasho nje nakhona ke sifundazweni eGauteng kanti ke nje liphelingike nje izulu kakhulukazi ngamaBheks ekhona ke nje sifundazweni iNorthern Cape kanti kusasa siwaqaphela nje amathuba emvula amakhulu khona ke nje sifundazweni KwaZulu Natal kuya njalo nje sifundazweni eGauteng nakhona ke nje eMahike ngasho nje seliphengile ke nje izulu amaBheks ekhona ke Gqeberha kuya njalo nje eKapa Lodumo. Kanti ke isixwayiso sethu ke sakusihla siphuma lapha kwa South African Weather Service kanje zoqaphela nje mbukeli khona ke nje ukuduma kunobungozi obuthanje buqiniseke nje kakhulu ngePalmobheks ekhona ke nje Polokwane kuya njalo nje ePretoria ngaphinde futhi siqaphele nje lesixwayiso solwandle olugubha amagagasi kakhulu ngePalmobheks ekhona ke nje sifundazweni Eastern Cape kuya njalo nje sifundazweni iWestern Cape kanti ke futhi nakusasa sakhona ke nje isixwayiso sokuduma kwezulu kakhulu ngePalmobheks ekhona ke nje eUppington kuya njalo nje eMahike nginakhona ke nje ePolokwane saphinde futhi siqaphele nje isixwayiso nje sifanayo sokuduma kwezulu khona ke nje sifundazweni Eastern Cape kuya njalo nje sifundazweni iWestern Cape kanti ke amazinga ukushisa kusasa ame kanje soqaphela nje mbukeli Mobheks ekhona ke nje goGold Coast wethu kanti ungazaduma ngasho nje siliyabanda nje ngawo nje u17 kuya njalo nje lapha koPretoria singawulindela nje u19 kanti ke nje Mosbeks ekhona ke nje sifundazweni iLimpopo amazinga ukushisa kusasa ame kanje ngasho nje ukuthi nje liyabanda khona ke nje lapha koZanini kuye njalo ke nje nakhona ke Mosina singawulindela nje u20 kanti nje Mosbeks ekhona ke nje sifundazweni Mpumalanga amazinga okushisa ame kanje uqaphela nje mbukeli liyabanda ke nje khona ke Sikhukhuza lime nje ku19 kanti ke Emelo liyabanda nje ngawo nje u12 kanti ke nje Mosbeks ekhona ke nje sifundazweni iKwaZulu Natal eThekwini iNanda kuye njalo nje lapha ke Clermont singawulindela nje u20 manje njalo nakhona ke nje Portshepstone kuye nje u20 kanti ke nje Mosbeks nje khona ke sifundazweni Eastern Cape amazinga okushisa ame kanje uqaphela nje mbukeli Komani singawulindela nje u18 kanti ke Gqeberha lime nje ku22 kanti ke nje Mosbeks ekhona ke nje sifundazweni Western Cape amazinga okushisa ame kanje Kapa Lodumo ngasho nje ukuthi lipholile ke nje ngawo nje u20 kuye njalo ke nje George singawulindela nje u20 kanti ke nje Mosbeks ekhona ke nje sifundazweni iNorthern Cape amazinga okushisa ame kanje Standard singawulindela nje u19 kuye njalo ke nje eKhurumane ngasho nje ukuthi limi ku22 kanti ke nje Mosbeks ekhona ke nje esifundazweni Free State amazinga okushisa ame kanje uzoqaphela nje mbukeli liyabanda eBethlehem ngawo nje u13 kuye njalo nje Bloemfontein thani ukuthi nje lifudumala ke nje ngawo nje u20 kanti nje Mosbeks ekhona ke nje sifundazweni iNorthwest amazinga okushisa ame kanje ngasho nje siliyabanda ke nje Rustenburg Johannesburg. U-18 kuye njalo nje eMahikeng singawulindela nje u-18 ngisibeka lapho ke isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa. Mina-ke ngiyintombi kaMadlamini olangelihle ngoba libalele. Ngithi konke kufeziwe.
Mbukelisi sibeka lapha bese kuphathele zona namuhla kusasa abakhono zakwethu neindaba ngolwimi lwesiXhosa ube nobusuku obuhle usale kahle.